What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, there's a couple of new developments that have happened over the weekend, which leads me to believe that Microvision is going to have another great week ahead. Now for those of you who aren't aware of what Microvision does, this is a company that makes laser technology that's used in self-driving cars and augmented reality headsets. There's a lot of hype around self-driving cars at the moment, and car companies across the globe are all trying to be the first ones to get there. Because whoever gets to full self-driving technology first will no doubt start the first ever robo-taxi service. Whoever does this will add trillions to their total addressable market, so this is a huge deal. To get to full self-driving, many car manufacturers are looking to acquire or partner up with companies like Microvision so that they can help them get there faster. Microvision has the most to gain since it has a relatively low market cap when compared to its competitors such as Luminar Technologies, and hence has more room to run. Anyways, now that you know the basics, let's get into the exciting bit of news that I talked about earlier. The first interesting development that's just happened recently is that Ford has dumped all of their Velodyne shares. Velodyne is another competitor of Microvision, so there is now some speculation that they might buy into Microvision instead. This speculation is there because Judy Curran, who was a director at Ford for 32 years, has recently joined the board of directors for Microvision. So is it a coincidence that shortly after this happens, Ford dumps all of their Velodyne shares? Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but there's no way to know this for sure, which is why this is still pure speculation at this point. However, these days all you need is some speculation before an army of retail investors start sending the share price to the moon. Another reason why I think Microvision can have a big run up this week is that Wallstreetbets has just discovered Microvision. Now this is equally good and bad. It's bad because we don't want this thing to get out of control and become a pump and dump situation. It's good because we're getting more eyeballs on this stock, which means that the overall awareness about the company will increase. Personally, I'm very bullish on this company. Microvision's laser technology is better than its competitors, so it's only a matter of time before they announce a strategic partnership with a car company that's interested in self-driving. And there's lots of these companies by the way, so I don't think we'll have to wait for long. Now, let's quickly compare Microvision's LIDAR product to its competitors, so we can just see how much better their product really is. So as you can see here, their LIDAR product has a greater range than most other alternatives out there. And on top of that, they have the highest data rate in the market right now. Another thing that increases my conviction in the company is that they have a very solid management team. The management team at Microvision is extremely capable. Take Sumit Sharma, the CEO, for example. He was the head of operations at Google's Project Glass and has worked to map hardware development at Motorola and has also worked at Jawbone. So there you have it guys. I think given the hype and speculation around this company, we're going to have another great week ahead. However, I like this company not because of the hype or speculation, but because I truly believe that they are the industry leaders here in terms of their technology, which is why I don't see why they won't announce a partnership with a car company soon. That's it from me. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.